Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, now zones of retinitis pigmentosa. So, retinopathy of prematurity. So, we have three zones of retinopathy of prematurity. So, first zone is from the optic disc. If we see two disc diopters from the optic disc, by taking the radius has two disc diopters from the optic disc, if you draw a circle, then that is zone 1. In zone 2, you take the radius has the so I'll write okay. Zone 1 is two disc diopters from the optic disc, and zone 2 is from the optic disc. If you see the ora serrata and the nasal part of this ora serrata to the optic disc, you take it as a radius and draw the second circle, then that is zone 3. The rest of the temporal retina which is left is zone 3. So zone 1 is from the optic disc, you take two disc diopters radius and you draw a circle, then that is zone 1. Now from the optic disc to ora serrata you will measure the length, and if you draw a circle taking this as radius, then it is zone 2. The rest of the temporal retina is actually zone 3.
thank you and thank you for watching.